Dear students, we are there on the next topic, notice writing. So here I have written a notice, a sample notice here. So I'll discuss what are the various steps are there in writing the notice here. So my dear students, notice writing like example is there. You are the secretary of your school literary club. Draft a notice for the poetry recitation competition in your school. This is the heading of the notice. Okay, so how you begin the notice? First of all, you begin the notice with a catchy heading. Means to say here in the center you will write the catchy heading, where this heading is written for the reader to attract the attention of the reader here. So here like I have written here, let's recite the voice of soul, or let us recite the self composed poem. Okay, so catchy heading meant for the attraction of the reader here. Next is there, you will write the name of the event, like this event is there for the poetry recitation competition in your school. So you will write the heading as poetry recitation competition. Next is there, after this you will write here time, date and venue. So here my dear students, there are two different formats here. Either you can write in this way, on 1st September 2021 from time, like time is there 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Then where it is going to held, venue means at school library, Christ the King Convent School here. So I'll discuss the same with the another format also. One more, I'm going to discuss the notice writing here with another one format here. So next here you will give the detail what you want to ask through this notice here, like all the students are hereby informed that a poetry recitation competition is going to be held in the school, where students have the opportunity to recite their self composed poem here. So what speciality is there in this poetry recitation competition? Self composed poem of the children. So interested candidates can give their names to the head of literary club. So you will write here whom, what this notice is there, and whom they can give their names. Only two things you will mention here. And my dear students, every step carries marks here. Like this catchy heading carries 1 mark, then the name of the event carry 1 mark, and then this time, date and venue, they are of half mark. Like this one is half mark, date, time. Okay, so date half mark for time, and half marks are there where it is there and the name of the school here, like it is going to be held in the library, and the name of the school is Christ the King Convent School. You will write your own school name, and then this carry also 1 mark here, where you give the rest of the information what you want to convey to the students here. Okay, so this is the one sample here. The next one sample is there, you are the secretary of the students wing of the residents welfare association of your colony. Write a notice informing the household about the Diwali celebration on the eve of Diwali. So this is the next one notice that I have taken here. The first one notice was there from the school side, and the second one notice, it is going to be held by Residents Welfare Association, which is called as RWA. So from this side, they have given the notice here for the celebration of the Diwali. So next is there, how will you write this one? Next format also I will discuss here, like the festival of light, it's given the catchy heading there. Okay students, so in this case, in the second format, everything you have to write here on the left side. So in the first one format, you have to write all these things into the center here. In the second one format, either you can follow this one format also, where you have to write everything on the left hand side, like festival of light, and then name of the event is there Diwali celebration. Next is there date, time and venue. Okay, so there you simply have written, so when you write the date, time and venue, in the first format you have written on, from and at. So if you are going to write here date, time and venue, then you will write here date November 6, time 7 p.m. to 10 p.m, venue community center near Surya apartment, sector 85, Noida. Next is there, what is there in this? All the residents of Surya apartment are cordially invited for Diwali celebration here. So here half mark, this is also of half mark, this is half mark, half mark, this is of one community center half mark, and this sector exact location half mark, and this also carries 1 mark here. So in this way notice will be of 5 marks. And the most important thing, students, here you have to put the notice into a box here. Okay students, I hope it is clear to all of you. You need to put the put this notice into the box here. Without box your format will be wrong here. I hope this is understood by you and you have seen it very clearly here. Notice writing 1, notice writing 2 here. Thank you students.